Now I request Dr. Tanweer Ahmad, Director of MMK High School, to say few words on the topic.
मंच हासिल हमारे आई यूनिवर्सिटी के वाइस चांसलर श्री रमन कुमार जी, रजिस्ट्रार अरविंद सर और नेशनल हेड अनुपस्थित है यहाँ पे श्रीकांत सर। मैं तहे दिल से उनका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ कि दे आर गिवन द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बी प्रेजेंट इन दिस डैश ऑन द टॉपिक ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस of industry academic collaboration. And again, I thanks to respected and senior educationist Manoj Sir, JP Singh Sir, SP Singh Sir, Sri Prakash Sir, and distinguished guest of this occasion, and principal, vice principal, students also here. First, educational leadership meeting. First of all, India is a developing countries, and the population is too much. You know very well about it. We are going to the number one. But one thing is very important. Where I have met from the Dr. AP University, I said to Dr. Kalam, sir, how it will be possible in the 2020 our country will develop. He asked from me why our country will not develop in this 2020. So I explained so many things, unemployment, education, and we explained the all demerits to them. But question they are rises to there. Human resources is a very important part of our country. ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज किसी भी देश के लिए बहुत बड़ा उसका डेवलपमेंट का पार्ट होता है। 2020 रिपोर्ट वी हैव 64% यूथ अंडर द एज ऑफ 29. दिस इज द रिसोर्स ऑफ आवर कंट्री. बट अनदर वे व्हेन वी गो टू दैट प्लेस, in every year 1.5 million engineers pass out from the different universities in our country, and just like the USB you will plug and play. हमारे साथ जो सिचुएशन हो रहा है कि इंडस्ट्री को कोई मतलब नहीं है. उनको चाहिए कि स्टूडेंट दे केम टू आवर इंडस्ट्री एंड स्टार्ट द वर्क. बट क्वेश्चन इज हियर, what will be the responsibilities of the teachers? The biggest responsibility of the teachers, they will give the very good education, creative educations, entrepreneurial educations, and training to them.